Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z Face. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my flawless foundation routine. I'm going to be showing you guys the steps I use to make my foundation stay long, last for the whole day. If you have an oily skin, or if you're like a party turn up and your skin really looks cakey after the party, this video is for you. Make sure you check it out. Before you continue watching, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Let's just get right into the video. So first things first, you want to prime your face, and I'm using my Pond's primer today because it's perfect for oily skin. As you can see, my skin is so oily. The areas you want to prime more are the areas under your eye, your nose, the side of your nose, the sides of your mouth, because those are the areas that really do crease. Those are the areas that look more cakey. You want to make sure you prime your brows too, because my brows always sweat. I don't know, they'll just always look oily at the end of the day. So you just want to prime the areas that you normally feel that are going to crease or that always look cakey. So I have some dark spots on my skull, so I'm just going to go in with my orange corrector to just put them on any scar, and my hyperpigmentation under my eye. Then next I'm going into this small blending brush to just blend that out. You don't want to wipe everything out because you need the orange corrector to cover the dark parts of your face. So I'm using this small brush to just blend it softly. So next, another thing I do to avoid my face from sweating is I use my setting powder. It's actually my Sacha Buttercup setting powder that I always use, and I just use this powder to just pat that all over my face. I believe this kind of stops the production or slows the production of oil coming out from your face after you've done your makeup. I'm going now into my powder brush to just blend everything out. You don't want everything to look white as it was. Next, I'm going into my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade number 29. I got it from Busy Makeover. This foundation blends in so well, and it's full coverage, guys. Look at that, oh my god, wow. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. You want to use a blending brush first, guys. Some people actually use a beauty blender, but I like to use a brush first to blend out everything before I go into my beauty blender to just make everything sit in good. Then next, to highlight, I'm using my Fit Me foundation. I'm going to leave the shade name in the description box below, and I'm just highlighting the under part of my eyes, my nose, my cupid bows, my chin, and my forehead. You guys know the drill. To blend my highlights, I'm going back into the beauty blender that I used to blend my foundation to just blend everything so that everything just looks cool and nice. There's nothing that looks too harsh. So to blend my nose, I kind of pinch the beauty blender so that it goes onto the shape of my highlights on the bridge of my nose that I have. Hope you guys understand what I mean. To contour my face, I'm using the NYX liquid contour. It's actually in the darkest shade. I forgot the shade number. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. And I'm just contouring the under part of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. Then I'm going back in with my beauty blender to just blend everything that I have there. So to set my highlights, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using this flat brush to just set my under eyes. Guys, to set my face, I normally use this brush to just pat in the setting powder so that it sits in properly. Like, I just pack that onto the areas that I know that will normally crease, the areas that I have the highest probability of creasing, before I go into more setting powder and just put that onto my face. You guys should keep watching. You're gonna see everything I do. So to set my contour, I'm going into my Black Radiance powder. I didn't really want my contour to look harsh today, so that's why I'm using this brown powder to just set it. Then to set my whole face, I'm using my Milani mineral pressed powder in number 3, and I'm just using my powder brush to just wipe off the excess powder that I have on my face. Then for blush, I'm going into this Chic palette, and I'm using this dark pink color to just put that onto my face. I'm using my powder brush to do that. I'm just giving my face some warmth. Then I'm going into my Anastasia Glow Kit palette, and I'm using this brown shimmery color to just put that onto my cheeks, my nose, my cupid bows, the under part of my eyebrows. And I'm just using this small brush to do that because I feel like it kind of makes it precise. When I apply my highlights, I kind of use my powder brush to just blend everything because you don't want it to look harsh as it is. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. So I went ahead to spray my face with a classic makeup spray. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks before the spray, so you guys see how flawless it is. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.